Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly, Python supports the concept of private variables, but it uses name mangling rather than true access control. By convention, variables prefixed with a double underscore, are considered private, and their names are mangled to include the class name. This makes it harder to accidentally override private attributes in a subclass. However, it is still possible to access and modify these variables if you really need to. Let's walk through an example to understand how private variables work in Python. In this example, keep in mind that these conventions are more about indicating intent and discouraging accidental misuse rather than enforcing strict access control. Developers are trusted to follow conventions, and it's still possible to access private variables if necessary. ChatGPT.